As I'm looking into my daughter's eyes, guys, I don't think that was fair. Her eyes were inside of her head. Her neck, it's like she lost weight instantly.
uVanessa ongelona igama lakhe langempela ngenxa yokumvikela ukhala uyazithulisa. Ukhumbula kahle kamhlophe isimo indodakazi yakhe eyayikuso emva kokudlwengulwa owabe eyisoka lakhe ngo2019. Lengane yabe ineminyaka emibili nje vo. Odokotela baqinisekisa ukuthi isimo sayo sibi kakhulu. Kepha emva kweminyaka emibili kwenzeka lo mshophi namanje imphumela yolibofuzo eyathathwa ezingutsheni ezazigqokwe indodakazi okubalwa kuzo negazi elabelise nabukenini ayikakabuyi.
I wanted to know why is it taking so long, and then he told me no, there's a backlog due to the pandemic, due to COVID-19. That's what he told me.
uFelicia nongelona igama lakhe langempela uthi indodana yakhe yadlwengulwa ngo2019 idlwengulwa isisebenzi esikoleni yabe ineminyaka eyi13 ngaleso sikhathi. Naye usakhumbula kahle ukuthi kwenzekani.
So we went to that hospital and the doctor cried and said the person that raped this child is so heartless. This child has been injured so badly. And they confirmed rape and they said the child is injured so badly. For 2.5 weeks, my son could not hold his stool. It was coming out because he was injured. And every time he messed himself up, he got so angry and he cried.
Ukubambezeleka kokukhishwa kwemphumela yolibofuzo kwenza ukuthi kube nzima ukuthola ubulungiswa.
We are seeing that the absence of DNA, firstly, is not affecting the prosecution system, but also it's affecting the arrest process. And these parents are living in communities where they know their children are roaming the streets, but also the perpetrators are available for the children to be affected by.
Ongoti bathi lokhu kwenza ukuthi izigilamkhuba zigcine sezicanasa nje.
Worryingly is that where there are cases of repeat violent offenders, whether they're serial rapists or serial murders, those criminals will continue to commit these crimes until eventually they are later apprehended.
Ilungu lekomiti elibhekele amaphoyisa eParliament lithi lake lakuphakamisa lokhu kweminye imihlangano ababanayo.
They supplied a huge amount of detail around how they're going to tackle the backlog. I'm still skeptical that the backlog, in my view, is probably well over 200,000 case exhibits by now. That's millions of samples of DNA that need to be processed.
Amaphoyisa awatholakalanga ukuba aphawule abenzi bokubi basagcwele emphakathini kanti ngakolunye uhlangothi izisulu zisalinde ubulungiswa.